Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'll show you how I created this layflat photo book using Canva. It's a simple and fun project that's perfect for keeping your favorite memories in one beautiful album. Let's get started. We'll start by creating our photo book template in Canva. This is where I arrange all of my favorite photos and design each page exactly how I wanted it to look. These settings give me the best color and print quality. For the cover, I printed on 300 GSM matte photo paper, and for all of the inside pages, I used 200 GSM. Once everything is printed, it's time to laminate. I'll show you two different ways to do this. The first method is using cold laminating film by hand. Since it's a cold laminate, you don't need a laminating machine. Simply place the laminate over the photo paper, then slowly press and smooth it down while applying firm pressure to remove any air bubbles. If you already have a laminating machine with a cold setting, like I do, you can use that instead. It speeds up the process and gives a really clean finish. Of course, this step is completely optional. Both methods works great. Once you finish laminating all the pages, trim away the excess laminating film around the edges using a paper scissor. This will give each page a clean, polished finish and make them easier to assemble later. Because I'm using 200 GSM paper with cold laminate, the pages are a little thicker. To make folding easier, I score the center first before carefully folding each page. This helps create a much cleaner crease. Next, apply thick double-sided tape along the top edge and on one side of each insert. For the very last insert, make sure to place tape on both sides since this will be attached to the back cover later. Once done, arrange all of your inserts from bottom to top. I find that starting from the bottom makes it much easier to build the book one page at a time. Now, carefully peel off the tape backing and stick each page together. Take your time because this tape is extremely sticky. Once the page touch, it's very difficult to separate them without damaging the paper. So make sure everything is aligned before you press firmly. Slow and careful is definitely the key here. Now, let's finish the book. First, I measured the thickness of all the completed pages so I could make a perfectly sized spine. I scored the spine to make folding easier, then cut the front and back covers before attaching everything together. Finally, I attached the completed pages to the cover. And just like that, our DIY photo book is finished. Here's the final result, and I honestly love how it turned out. One of my favorite little details is this QR code. When I scan it, it opens a special video from the same memories in this album, making it even more meaningful. I muted the video in this tutorial to avoid any copyright issues here in YouTube, but I still wanted to share it with you for a little inspiration. This photo book includes 10 insert pages, and I think it makes such a beautiful keepsake or even a thoughtful handmade gift. If you'd like to use this Canva template, just leave a comment below and I'll happily share the link with you. Thank you so much for spending some time crafting with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, keep crafting!